Hello traders. In this video, I will be giving out a list of stocks which could be traded from 15th till 19th of June, starting with M&M. M&M has given a breakout of the resistance as well as out of a bullish flag pattern on back of very high volumes and a bullish wide range candle. Now these goes to signify that there is some kind of professional money which has been entering in M&M since the past couple of sessions as well. If you guys can see, since around 20th May, it has been continuously rising. And this candle again signifies that maybe new smart money has entered M&M. So yes, my targets on M&M are 524 and 533. But I would personally wait for a retracement on back of low volumes to go long so that you can get a better entry price. Moving on to the next stock, which is Bata India. Now, Bata India has been respecting this ascending wedge pattern since 19th of March, and I have been observing that whenever Bata India came near the lower part of the trend line, like the 19th March, it was on back of very high volumes and a bullish price action candle. If you guys could see, long tail and closing nearly at the highs. Similar pattern was visible on 26th of May, wherein the candle showed a rejection from the lower part of the trend line on back of high volumes and a bullish candle. Now, which somewhat signifies that Bata India is headed higher. But in the last Friday's session, actually, the candle closed on back of lower than average volumes, and maybe the candle was bullish, but this somewhat signifies that maybe this was a short covering candle and not new buyers entering Bata. But looking at the fundamentals of the stock, Bata India had said that the demand is rising for their products, and somewhere I could see Bata India touching maybe 1450 in the next couple of sessions. So wait for a breakout out of this trend line on back of high volumes and a bullish candle to go long on Bata India. Moving on to the next stock, which is BEL. Now, BEL has similar ascending channel, but what is interesting in BEL is fundamentally this stock is not that strong. If you were to look at the history of BEL, BEL has been falling since around 2017 from around levels of 190. And so this stock is basically something which I had said in the previous video, that is sell at rallies, as simple as that. But again, confirmation is very important while trading. So wait for a confirmation of a breakout below this lower part of the trend line on back of high volumes and a very strong bearish candle to go short. But yes, there is chance that it might break out of this trend line and maybe touch a new high of around 80 in the next coming sessions. So again, this stock is something which needs to be tracked. Moving on to Bharti Airtel, everyone knows Bharti Airtel is a very fundamentally strong stock, and so this could actually be traded on the long side basically, which means on the upside. Now it has somewhat been forming this kind of a bull flag pattern. This is the pole. This is the retracement on back of low volumes. So somewhere I think Bharti Airtel is ready to go and even break the all-time high of 612. So many brokerages have also given targets of 650, 700, maybe even 800. So yes, I am very bullish on Bharti Airtel. This is good stock for investing as well for maybe 20 to 30% return. And again, in the longer term, it could cross, who knows, maybe 900 and even 1000. So yes, you can actually go long on Bharti Airtel once this trend line has been broken on back of high volumes and a bullish candle. And maybe when this trend line has been broken in similar way, similar bullish way on back of high volumes and a bullish candle, then maybe the target of 700 could actually be achieved in Bharti Airtel. Moving on to the next stock, which is BHEL. This stock has been forming a bullish ascending, bearish ascending channel, sorry, which means that there is a very huge chance that it might give a breakout on the lower side. And again, this has a similar structure to BEL, wherein the stock has continuously been falling. And so the stock is like selling at rallies. So wait for a breakout on the low side of the channel to go short in BHEL. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I have actually shortlisted around 3 or 4 stocks for intraday trading on 15th of June. So if you guys are interested for that video, do not forget to hit that like button so that I know you guys would want that video. And if you could get around 3 likes in this video, I actually would be very happy and would release that intraday trading stocks for 15th of June. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Do not forget to hit that like button. And just like that, I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.